you would always want to be on the side of having good credit.
Do you think it pays to have good credit? Yeah. One thing I am curious about, Peter. I'm all new to business funding. As far as people that are applying on burnsfunding.com, let's say someone's an established business owner, they're making great revenue, they've been in business for 15 years, but they just decided that funding could help leverage or scale their business even more. They can buy more inventory or, things to sell. How much are people getting in business funding? Is it revenue based? Is it based on their credit? Is it based on their taxable income? How does that whole entire process work?
Well, if you meet the credit standards, which is
Okay.
something that you come into,
Mhm.
and you just do the pre-approval that gives me all three of your reports in 15 seconds, and you get them too. And I pay for that. You pay nothing.
Okay.
If you do that, we can analyze it. Oh gosh, your credit reports and your AI credit analysis, I simply hand that off to my main funder, and they come back with exactly what they're good for and what they have the option to do.
Mhm.
The great part about our shelf funding, it's much larger amounts of money unsecured than you ever could do on your own. You might be able to get one credit card for your current company, and you might get a 20,000 or even a 50,000 done. But we'll give you 10 of them in each one of the shelves from 10 different banks. We have 91 banks and credit unions that issue business credit cards to the shelves that are sold to my clients. So you have a lot more options with us. Now, if you don't hit that 720, 650, 680, whatever, if it's not bad, I hand you off to my secondary B and C paper fella, and he comes up with a combination of personal and business, and you decide which ones you want to take.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode. If you wish to be a guest on our podcast, visit SturgisCreditRepair.com and click the podcast page to schedule an episode. If you need help with your credit, you can also sign up at SturgisCreditRepair.com and start your free trial today.
Sturgis Credit Repair. Sturgis Credit Repair. If you want a new house, call us.